getting ready to go hunt for some tourmalines, some kunzite, and some other stuff. It's early, so we gotta be quiet. We'll see you.
'Cause we're born free, the way we should be, with no one telling us how to love, and no more getting on our knees, and everybody say hi.
All right, we made it. We made it up a little bit quicker than I was expecting us to make it up. But yeah, you can see that's what it looks like behind this beautiful morning. We're waiting at the gate. Looks like there's one other group here. Yeah, so we'll check back in when we start driving in. Made it in the gate, driving on up to the top of the mountain, getting up to the mine. Giant quartz. Doing well. All right, we're walking down. We shall see what we are able to find. A beautiful morning out. Got our buckets, got all the supplies in the backpack. Got Bobby with. Can't be taking his stuff out of the wall, bro. Look at all that lepidolite, though.
See?
Yeah. Look at, there's just tons. I like that kid in the video. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Morning.
Morning.
All right, but beautiful morning. So we got a safety meeting, and then we get to go digging. So we'll check in a bit.
But yeah, that's gonna be your aqua hole level. The kind of, so you'll have this main one here, and then the bottom. Yeah, it'll be the bottom level that's terraced area. So there'll be a big oak tree on it. Yeah, it's kind of right below us here. But yeah, that one's the aqua hole. You'll see a nice big tunnel right off the bat, and then
Heading on down. There's stuff everywhere. But we're gonna go down to the bottom and then work our way on up. See what we find. All right, so we just got to the first spot that we're gonna dig at. As you can see, this was a pit. So we're gonna start sifting through all this stuff. Tons of really nice mica all through here. So we shall see what we can find. We'll check in. We found hopefully some gemmy stuff. All right, so just came up on some lepidolite. I don't know if you can quite see the purple in it, but found a nice spot with lepidolite. Let's see. But walking along, just found this little pile right here. It's full of lepidolite all through it. Sun's kind of in the wrong spot. Oh, here's a, I don't know if you can see how the purple's coming out, but that's some lepidolite. Nice purpley. Spent a little bit here. Got a good amount of lepidolite. Happy with that. Gonna go on to some more color. You see that pink, it's that pink clay on in there, but some good tourmalinated quartz, and but there's stuff all over the place, so having some fun. Now, I'm not sure if you can see it. There's some lepidolite right there. See that purple underneath? But that's what we're finding all over this little pile right here. Good stuff. All right. Found our first little cluster right there. We'll clean it up. I think that's all that's in it. There might be some other stuff, but little cluster. All right, so pretty stoked. Just found a nice piece of aquamarine with some morganite in it in the matrix. So let's go ahead and take a look at this piece. All right, so as you can see, there's the chunk of aquamarine right up in there. And then we had, that morganite crystal. Put it down so I can point at it right up in there. The morganite aquamarine. The cool thing is aquamarine, it's got that cavity in there. So who knows what else is in here? There's obviously some more stuff, but we'll clean it up later and see what else is in there. But pretty cool piece. All right, we're gonna get a little pile digging from the pile. You can see behind me right over there. So we're gonna see what we can find from the pile as well. Little 2 for 1. So we're at the washing table. Hey Bobby, you found a nice crystal quartz, didn't you?
Yes.
See it.
Dad, I'm trying to work.
Ooh, nice crystal termination. Very cool. Awesome, that's a good find. But yeah, just filling up the bucket with what we can. Found one other crystal. There it is. Okay, got it. There we go. Little crystal cluster. And some lepidolite. Pretty cool. But yeah, here's your washing tables. There's the pit, pile. Pretty fun. All right, so here are all of the rocks that we got today. Couple really cool ones. This guy right here, you can see the little crystal quartz cluster right there. Pretty cool. Some lepidolite in there and some of that pink clay. But pretty cool little piece. Found this one at the pit on top, or the pile. We found this at the pile. Tons of lepidolite. You can see this purple. Tons of it. Did find one nice quartz crystal. Good termination on the sides there. Top's okay, but overall it's fun to be able to find this piece. As you can see, we got lepidolite. Awesome lepidolite. We got some more super purpley lepidolite. We gotta clean this up a little bit more. Get the purple to really shine through on these. We got some big chunks of it too. Get the iron out of that. There's a big tourmaline pieces. Black tourmaline. This may be blue tourmaline too. We gotta see more so in sunlight. But yeah, just some really cool pieces. All found at the Polychief and the Ocean View mine. It's another little piece that looks like it was possibly a point, some type of cluster at some point. Nice little pink tourmaline. Found quite a few of that. Here's a piece of aquamarine burl. You can see it's nice in there. More lepidolite. There's some tourmaline quartz with some greens. See the green tourmaline in there. But yeah, got some really cool pieces. Morganite, lots more lepidolite. We got, this is a cool little quartz cluster right on top of there. Nice little matrix piece. Clean that up a little bit better. Got some with the green tourmaline in there. But yeah, it's kind of a cool one. That one might fall apart. It's got some lepidolite, some pink tourmaline in there, and some of the pink clay. It's a really soft one. Coolest one, this guy. That's a nice aquamarine in this little cluster. Supposedly that's that morganite. It's more pinkish purple in the light, but yeah, we'll see what we'll end up doing with this piece, how we make it work. It's a fragile one, but pretty cool. I was pretty happy with that find. But overall, you can see all the garnets in with a lot of this. I would say that I find the best garnets with the tourmalines up there. It's pretty cool. It's another piece. I don't know what's all in here. Not exactly sure if that's quartz or if that's a type of burl. We're gonna have to clean up this pegmatite, get all that iron out of it, and see some garnets, those red garnets in there, orange garnets. But yeah, pretty good stuff. So we'll clean it all up and go from there.